Good morning, first graders. Today is Wednesday, May 20th, 2020. We made it. Today is the last day of e-learning and the last day of first grade. I hope to see everyone this afternoon at our end of year virtual celebration. I also hope to see everyone at our teacher parade on Friday. Be sure to check your email from Mr. A with details about that parade where you'll be able to see all the teachers and all the staff members that helped you throughout the school year at Cherry Tree. Let's say our kindness pledge one last time together. I pledge to myself on this very day to try to be kind in every way. To every person, big or small, I will help them if they fall. When I love myself and others too, that is the best that I can do. Well, friends, that might be the last time that we say that kindness pledge all together, but it doesn't have to be the last time that you say it, and I definitely don't want it to be the last time that you live it out each day. You can always say it to yourself each day when you begin your day next year in second grade or even throughout the summer. And as I'm standing in the hallway at Cherry Tree next year, I hope to see you performing some acts of kindness for your teachers and for your classmates. Friends, again, I will see you this afternoon for our end of year celebration. Can't wait. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I will see you soon. Bye.